Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I own the Water eStore and the Water Store in Midland, Ontario. Today we're doing a review of the Viqua 3-piece whole house high flow filter housing system. So it's available a couple of different ways. As a clear filter housing like this one here, you can see that once the filter goes inside, you can definitely see what's going on inside there. It's also available in a white one like this one, in the 10-inch size like this, and also in this big 20-inch size here. So if you've ever changed a filter of this size, a big blue type filter, you'll know there's a couple issues with that or concerns. And that is, first of all, it's very heavy. The second thing is, it's sometimes difficult to get this off. And the reason it's difficult to get it off, if you have a typical type of filter housing, like this one here, for example, when you're unscrewing the bottom half of the housing, this is a 2-piece housing, the bottom part and the top part, there's an O-ring in between them, and that creates friction. So when you're unscrewing this, that friction between the two makes it very difficult to unscrew this part of the housing. Whereas the 3-piece housing from Viqua has a top part and a bottom part and this collar. So the collar is actually what you're unscrewing. So when you go to loosen it, as you can see, the collar is coming loose, but this part is still stationary. So you don't have the friction between the top and the bottom of working against you when you're trying to unscrew it. The other huge advantage of these systems is in the white ones that has this drain port at the bottom. So what happens is when this filter housing has a dirty filter inside and is full of water, believe me, it's very heavy. So you're trying to remove this, it's very heavy, it's hard on the back. So with this drain port, you can unscrew that, drain the filter housing out, makes it much lighter for removing it. We do offer discount pricing and free shipping. If you click the link up here, it'll take you right to our e-commerce website. You can check it out there. So in terms of performance, I rate these as a 10 out of 10. And for all of the reasons that I just said, it's very easy to use. It's easy to install. It just works incredibly well. And of course, the O-ring lasts a long time because you're not working against the top and the bottom when you're unscrewing it and tightening it. Capacity, I rate them as a 9 out of 10. It's a great product. The only thing that works on Viqua branded filters, but you can also use non-proprietary branded filters like this one here, for example. The only thing is, I've sometimes noticed with the carbon filters, you need to remove this O-ring at the bottom for a non-proprietary filter to get this to seal properly. Cost to operate, I definitely rank it a 10 out of 10. It's because the O-rings are going to last such a long time because you're not working the top against the bottom as you're trying to unscrew it. It definitely will lower the cost to operate. Features, it has a lot of great features. It has the drain, it has the pressure release on the top, has the line in and the line out clearly marked. It comes with the bracket, it comes with the wrench, and so it has a lot of great features. And of course the drain port on the bottom. So the only thing I find a little bit peculiar about the features on this is that the drain port is only available on the white ones, not on the clear ones. That would be an advantage if it was also available on the clear ones, but also the clear ones only come in 10-inch size. I'm not sure why they don't also come in 20-inch size as the white ones do. It probably has something to do with the different types of plastic that's being used. Parts availability, I rated a 9 out of 10. Viqua is widely available. It's a non-proprietary brand, so you can get the parts from me, but you can also get it from any water treatment dealer in North America. Super easy to get. Longevity, 10 out of 10. This is a real quality product. They're actually manufactured in Italy, and they do last a long time. We've installed a pile of them. We've had really, really good service from them. In terms of ease of installation and use, I give them a 10 out of 10. Again, if you click a link up here, there's a video there that shows you how to install these systems. Super easy to install and definitely super easy to use. In terms of reliability and build quality, I give them a 9 out of 10. They're a very, very well built product and you really appreciate the performance you get from them. Initial investment, 9 out of 10. These do cost more money than a traditional type of filter housing like this one here, but once you've gone through that using the drain port or using the clear filter housing, you'll really appreciate the differences, and of course making it much easier to get the filter housing apart. Your back will appreciate it too. The little bit of extra cost will definitely be worth it. Styling and aesthetics, I give them a 10 out of 10. These look great. the large ones, the white ones, or the clear ones. I mean, if they're in a utility room, what difference does it make about styling and aesthetics? But often in cabins and cottages, these end up all kinds of places. They end up sometimes in the kitchen, sometimes in the bathroom. They can end up all over the place. So you'll appreciate that styling and aesthetics if you end up having to put it in a location like that. So what's the verdict? I rate this 95 out of 100. I rate this as a Gary the Water Guy best buy, especially if you're going to be changing the filters yourself and you're going to be going through these great big 20-inch filters. Your back will appreciate it. And that's it. If you like what you saw today, please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified about all the new videos that become available on this channel. And please share this video with your Facebook friends. And for some more information, you can go to our websites, either thewatereStore.com or thewaterstoremidland.com. And I'm Gary the Water Guy from the Water Store in Midland, Ontario. Thanks for watching.